Hi, good afternoon. Jamie Turvey here, Turvey Partners at Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Thank you again for tuning in. Today we're on step number 5 out of the 7 most important steps when it comes to purchasing a home. So let's do a recap. Step number 1 was to find an awesome real estate agent. Step number 2 was to find an amazing lender, one who's going to save you thousands of dollars by getting your closing costs covered. Okay, step number 3 was finding a house, looking at houses, finding a house. Step number 4 was negotiating an offer for the win. Today we're talking about step number 5. Step number 5 is home inspection, getting the home inspection done and negotiating the repairs. So you might be thinking to yourself, okay, yeah, so you go hire somebody, you go and you ask for what you want. Wish it was that simple. So you need an awesome agent who's going to support you, who's going to make it seem easy for you, okay, and who's going to be doing a lot of work behind the scenes to make sure that you get everything that you need repaired in that home so that you feel safe and you feel confident about your home purchase. So you're asking, how do I go about doing that? Well, the first step is you want to have a reputable home inspector. Turvey Partners has awesome referrals for home inspectors, somebody who's going to go in and yes, they are going to be a little bit nitpicky. That is their job. They're going to go and find little things here and there because there are clues into something else that could potentially be a problem. Okay, they're going to go looking behind, underneath stuff, above stuff, go climbing onto things. And they're going to tell you, yes, this looks fine now, but maybe there was a little bit of a cover up. Here's a paint job, or here's a little bit of, extra caulking that looks like something was covered up. So you can start to investigate and go a little bit deeper. These kinds of things are going to be super, super important. This is the home you're about to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to get into. You want to make sure you know exactly what you're getting. So you're definitely going to have an awesome qualified home inspector that's been referred to you. Turvey Partners has some that we stand by 100%. Okay, so then after that, you're going to get the home inspection report. Okay, so you get the home inspection report and you're looking and, okay, you're kind of deciphering with your agent, what's important to you, what might just be some little cosmetic defect, something, like a little bit of nick paint or a little hole from a nail. Okay, that's not going to be that big of a deal. But you want somebody, you need an agent who's going to stand behind you, who isn't just offering problems, but they're also offering solutions, and they're trying to find out from you. They're asking you the right questions of, okay, is this a deal breaker for you? What would need to happen in order for you to move forward on this? And then therefore presenting that along with the inspection report to the agent who's going to present it to their client, the seller, to get it done. There are many different ways to negotiate this. You want somebody who's going to negotiate this the right way, okay? Something that's that makes sense for all parties. That's not ridiculous, okay? But that's very fair and reasonable. And somebody who's an expert negotiator. So that is going to take somebody who's been in the business a long time, somebody who knows exactly what they're doing and who has experience doing this, who has experience in always negotiating all the right things, all the necessary repairs for the client, for the buyer to feel comfortable to move forward into their new home. So if this sounds like something that would be beneficial to you, please do not wait another second. Give us a call today. Call Turvey Partners at 470-655-0956. Ask for Jamie or Chris Turvey, and hey,
What's a bit?